Microsoft Excel. Insert page layout, previous unit, margin orientation, size, print area, print title, print lines, headings, print, checkbox. So now select the background. Background. Select the picture. Select the picture. Select the picture. From the root, to select the folder. Select the root. Those pictures. Then select this one. Insert for the background. Sheet number 1. So select the sheet number 2. Once again, background. Select the picture from your root. So insert that. So this one background for this. Under the page layout. Under the page layout, you can select the say no need this background. So you select again the same button, delete background. Select this. So then select this one. So select the page, sheet number 3. Sheet number 3. Auto sum. I mean that insert functions. Auto sum. So other financial, logical, text, date and time, separated the different categories. So this one insert functions. Insert functions. Insert functions. So select all. The all functions are under the Microsoft Office. These are the functions. All functions. So you can use from here. Later we'll come back to this. So then we cancel this. Say just I type some figures. So just type on here gain, the name for this column, name for this column. So I define the name, define the name. So the JAN, JAN refers. So you highlight this one. So then enter. So then after that, okay. Say example, total of this one with this name equals sum, open bracket. So already we have created that name JAN, close bracket, then enter. You can get the total of this. Later also we'll come back to this. So just now explain this one. Later we'll come back to this section. Say, so meet on next unit. Let's practice this.